Okay, good afternoon. My name is Gloria Cadavid. I am from Envigado, Antioquia. I'm 53 years old and I am studying psychology at the UNAD. In Envigado, I live with my family, my mother, my father, and my little nephew Matias, who is 10 years old. During this speech, I'm going to talk about my last vacation when I went to Armenia, Quindío, with my best friends, Jeannie, Laura, and Dania. Uh, first, it, first, this visit was 10 or 12 years ago. Okay, first we visit some bars at night when we arrived. We visit some bars, local bars there, and we drank a lot of liquor and met a lot of nice people over there. This girl is from Armenia. Her name is Sandra, and she's a very nice person. Okay, then we visit the Parque del Café or Coffee Park, which has a lot of attractions, and they show you how the process of coffee is made, and it's really cool. The mechanical attractions and all the history and the location is really nice. Finally, we went to Panaca and we have a ride into a cable car. I think that this was one of the most scary experience in my life, but at the end, I really enjoy it. Look at Laura's face. She's so happy. She loves this. Okay, Armenia is really cool. It's a very nice place to visit, not only for Panaca or the Parque del Café or the local bars. Panaca is really nice. The weather there is cool. It's not cold, but it's nice. In the morning, you have to wear a light sweater, and during the afternoon, you can wear fresh clothes. And at night, you just need a jacket because sometimes it's cold. In Armenia, you can eat a lot of sweets, drinks, or desserts made of coffee because that's the most important product in this place. Um, I think that Armenia has whatever you want in a vacation. You can find relaxed places. You can go and have some outdoors activities. Also, you can meet a lot of people over there. It's cheap and well. I think the view and the landscape are a treasure. So I invite you to go and visit there.